Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add a folder in the GitHub repository. If you've been searching for a way to create a new folder in the GitHub repository, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To create a new folder in a GitHub repository, first of all, open github.com on your computer web browser. Once you're on GitHub, go to the repository where you want to create and add a new folder. On your repository page, click on the Add File button at the top of the repository. A drop-down menu appears. Select Create New File. At the top of the screen, you will see the Name Your File field. Here, type the desired folder name for your repository. After typing the folder name, enter / at the end. GitHub will automatically create a new directory for your repository. Now, enter the file name to create a file inside the new folder. You can add any content to your new file if necessary. From the top right corner of the screen, click on the Commit Changes button. A pop-up screen appears. From the bottom of the pop-up screen, click on the Commit Changes button. This will create a new folder with the placeholder file inside it. By following these simple steps, you can add a new folder to your GitHub repository.